If you're asking yourself, how can I start a paleo diet on a budget, then you've come to the right place. I'm going to give you all the tips you need on how to fit this into your budget. A paleo diet doesn't have to be expensive. You have to remember that you don't have to go all in 100%. You can start with 50 or 80% of your diet. When you go to the grocery store, shop in a circle. The most stores are set up in a similar fashion. I would recommend starting in the veggie, fruit, and then progress to the meat and eggs aisles. You'll find all the processed foods in the middle. You want to avoid that area. Eggs are dirt cheap, and so are veggies. You'll be surprised to know how many recipes you can make with just those two ingredients. And when you compare it to eating out, pretty much everything at a grocery store is at a great deal. I would also highly recommend going to your local farmers market. They always have fresh ingredients and at good prices. Stick with simple recipes with minimal ingredients. If you want awesome free tips and great recipes to get you started, click the link in the description. You'll get 7 free exclusive recipes and 7 tips to get you started fitting your paleo diet in your budget.